Hello everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku, a tectonic in this case. And in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, August the 1st, 2020. Yes, the last Sudoku, a tectonic one. And this will be number 1272. Yes, alright. So let's get started. And the first question is, do we have here a single box? I do not see a single box. A dual box, a dual box, a triple box. Yeah. So let me mark them. The dual box 1 and a 2. I cannot fill this right away. Here also 1 and a 2. That means these two boxes cannot be 1 and a 2. Those two boxes should be 1 and a 2. These two boxes should be 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here or there. These three boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These two boxes should be 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means this box cannot be a 2. This box can also not be a 3, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the number 5. 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 2, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Yeah. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. That means this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 1 and this should be the 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those two boxes. That means this box cannot be a 4 anymore and cannot be a... Oh wait, these two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. That means these two boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, so it must be a 3. Quadra box 1, 2 and 3 and the 4. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. Wow. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2 because if I place a 2 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 should be there. I have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. So this cannot be a 2, this should be a 1. This should be the 2. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box should be the 3. That means these 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. So this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 should be here in these 2 boxes. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. We see here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only box for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be the 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, this is the 4. This looks like 2 or 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. This box can be a 2, so 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3, the only box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be the 3. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box should be the 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now I have eliminated the 4, so the 4 should be here. 1 box left should be the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Then this box cannot be a 2. One of these 2 boxes is a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it's a 5. There goes my alarm. Okay, so it's a 5. How about Alright, we have a 5 here, 3 and a 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a 1 here, and a 4 there, so this box should be the 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it's a 5. Alright, now I have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 2. Let me mark them. 2 and a 3, alright. That means these 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box can also not be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes here or there. That means I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And this should be a 1. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or there. Yeah. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2 or 3. I need a 2 and 3 there. This box can also not be 2 or 3. So the 2... This box cannot be a 2. Because we have a 2 here. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So here I cannot place a 3. Here I cannot place a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 1. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 here. This should be the 3, and this should be the 2. And now the difficult part. Okay. So, 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. So I need a 4. Alright. This box. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Yeah. So 3 or 4 is this box. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 should be here or there. This box cannot be a 1. 1 should be in one of those 3 boxes. Yeah. Cannot be a 5. Here cannot be a 5. Let me think. Now it's complicated. Now it's getting complicated. 1, 3 or 4. These boxes can be 1, 1. This box cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 5. So this box could be the 1 or the 4. 1 or 4. Yes. 1 and 4. If I place a 1 here, this should be the 1. If I place a 4 here, this should be the 4. Okay. 2, 3. 1, 1. 2, 2. 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 2. We already have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be 2, so 1 box left for the 2. The missing link. Yes, we have a 2 here. So now we have a 2 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 3 and the 1, no, the 4 and the 1 are left. The 1 and the 4. Alright. That means 1 and a 4 cannot be in this box. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 5. So this box should be the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here. This should be the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be the 4. We have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4. The 4 goes in these 2 boxes together with the 2. 1 box left for the 1. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 4. Yes, complicated, but it's solved in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this. Great Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. Yes, do you like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. Yes, subscribe and hit that bell button for future uploads of me. So YouTube will notify you when I upload new ones into my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Have a great weekend, and yeah, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Thank you, and bye bye.